This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Lindsay Sheeter. Farmhouse chic. This home welcomes you the minute you open the door. Great entry, with split level and a ton of bedrooms. Newly installed luxury vinyl plank flooring is set off by brand new granite sink, rustic barnwood accents, newer counters, all new light fixtures, newer appliances, newer water heater, newer exterior doors, and the roof is only 8 years old. Plus, the house is equipped with ring security system and MyQ garage. Open and close your garage from your mobile device. Spacious backyard with pear and plum trees, fenced-in area and 2 sheds. Firefly hunting at dusk and frogs to keep you company, right out back. Close to amenities, but surrounded by nature. This house is move-in ready. Call today and it could be yours. For more information.